Hey there, with Mother's Day 2024 just around the corner, it's time to celebrate moms everywhere with some delicious and nutritious eats. Today, we're sharing 5 mouth-watering foods that are not only great for mom's health but also super tasty. So if you're ready to spice up your Mother's Day menu, stick around and let's dive in. Let's start with the first food. 1. Spinach. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse, rich in folate, iron, and antioxidants. Its high folate content supports healthy fetal development, while iron combats fatigue and boosts energy levels. Spinach is also packed with antioxidants, such as vitamin C and E, and beta-carotene, which protect cells from damage. Whether in salads, sautéed dishes, or smoothies, spinach offers versatile and delicious ways to enhance maternal nutrition. Let's celebrate its benefits as we journey towards a nourished and vibrant Mother's Day 2024 and beyond. 2. Salmon. Salmon, renowned as a nutritional powerhouse, boasts abundant omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and vitamin D, all vital for maternal health and fetal development. Its omega-3 fatty acids support brain development in infants and reduce the risk of preterm birth. Additionally, its protein content aids muscle growth and repair, while vitamin D contributes to bone health. Including salmon in your diet offers a delectable and nutrient-rich way to support maternal health and fetal growth. Let's harness the nutritional benefits of salmon as we journey towards a nourished and vibrant Mother's Day 2024 and beyond. 3. Eggs. Eggs are incredibly versatile and packed with nutrients, including high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and minerals vital for maternal health. They are rich in choline, crucial for fetal brain development, and provide a good source of vitamin D for bone health. Adding eggs to your diet offers a convenient and delicious way to enhance maternal well-being and support fetal growth. Let's benefit from the nutritional advantages of eggs as we embark on our journey towards a nourished and vibrant Mother's Day 2024 and beyond. 4. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are nutritional powerhouses, packed with healthy fats, protein, and essential nutrients crucial for maternal health. Their omega-3 fatty acids support brain development in infants and reduce the risk of preterm birth. Nuts and seeds also provide magnesium, important for muscle function, and zinc, crucial for immune health. Incorporating nuts and seeds into your diet offers a convenient, nutrient-rich way to support maternal well-being and fetal development. Let's enjoy the nourishing benefits of nuts and seeds as we journey towards a vibrant Mother's Day 2024 and beyond. 5. Avocado. Avocado is a nutrient-dense fruit, rich in healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins essential for maternal health. Its monounsaturated fats support heart health and may reduce the risk of gestational diabetes. Avocado is also high in folate, crucial for fetal development, and potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Incorporating avocado into your diet offers a creamy and nutritious way to support maternal well-being and fetal growth. Let's indulge in the goodness of avocado as we journey towards a nourished Mother's Day 2024 and beyond. Join us to put a smile on the faces of our mothers with more health and wellness.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to like channel to receive all new news.